Welcome to the new video. A pretty laissez start to it. Here. Yeah. 2 to 4 centimeters January 29th. Close to 5 centimeters January 30th. All done with a bit of mixing during the day. And then scroll down and it gets cold. Although how cold we'll find out. I think this is a pretty big underestimation. No, overestimation of what we're going to be getting. Overestimation means a lot warmer now than what probably is to be expected. Which is a common theme with the weather and any cold vent. Not too much snow nonetheless. 1 to 3, 4th, close to 5 on the 5th, 5 to 10 on the 6th, although not much else other than that. On that note, I'll see you guys outside a little bit later on. Whatever that snow was last night, all evaporated, I assume. So I don't see it anywhere. It just completely evaporated. Well, so I'll see you guys later on today. This is amazing. I thought this was updated properly. It was sort of better on the cameras anyways. Meh. Stay out here for 2.5. Yeah, it's a light, fluffy snow. Funny thing, this is above a valley cloud inversion right now, so this is quite unique. We're getting an inversion, yet it's still snowing. So, well, that's possible. It's just unique in the way it's an inversion, and then there's snow above the inversion, and then, well, it's falling through an inversion. I stay out for too long. It's fairly light anyways. It's not like it's anything heavy. Like you can tell, it's really lightening up. Probably just because of the breeze, but I love my family sometimes. Yep. You guys outside. The size of the flakes that came down initially. It's a trace. It counts. Well, no. It has to count. But it's cleared out all the valley cloud a bit now. Might clear up. Might attempt to clear up today. But yeah. It's stuck better in some areas. But at least, go figure. Yeah. It's a trace still. It's like snow pellets. Interesting. Probably because it went through that inversion layer or some shit. Yeah. Well. Guys, later on today. Here's the forecast update. This is going to start becoming frequent now. It's going to head back into a snowy pattern, and later on colder. 6% chance of flurries all day Saturday, 30% chance of flurries Sunday, 40% chance of flurries Sunday night, 30% chance of flurries Monday. Nothing spectacular, but we'll get her going. And then the weather is looking decent as well, I guess. Just traces snow to start here, 30 through to the first there. Yeah. Let's go down, that's where all the meat is. Although there's not very much snow here at all, I just realized it's all centimeter, close to a centimeter. Or a trace. Just realized that. So, it's not bad, but still, it's pretty fucking crappy still. It's not bad, but it's still pretty crappy. Nonetheless, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Or probably later on today. Yeah. Forecast update. Tired, so I'm not gonna bother to talk. And generally because I hate the forecast. One time, like this is literally the first time in ages, I don't bring my camera. And I drive home through a fucking burst of valley cloud snow. Oh, there's another round coming in or some shit back here. You can literally see unfucking real. Again, I'm going to be getting up early tomorrow, and definitely. And just for proof, there it is. But like I said, there may be another round coming in here. Looks like we got ourselves a little bit of a valley snow event here for the next couple days. Again, further confirmation here. Phone. Of course, literally, I would bet you $20 if I left work on time. I left late. Stayed a little extra, I guess you could say. And I didn't hit so much fucking traffic, I would have been home on time to see this, but fucking go figure. But again, I'll get up early tomorrow, because again, we'll be getting valley cloud tomorrow, so I highly expect us to have more valley clouds now. I see no reason for us not to get any more. Not get any more with this exact same setup, if you know what I mean. I'll show you guys on the webcam and all that later as well. Very annoying. Very annoying. Right down there. What a load of shit. I knew I was running into something, and then, what'd you know? Like, I would almost like to bet that if I would go this way, there'd be another burst, and then we enter this valley cloud.
and then we're sitting under a hole here. Because that's what it feels like. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on today.
Alright, here's a nighttime update. This is what happened today. There's a bunch of shit there. Oh wait, what was that? What? I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that before. I wonder if that was snow or something. The valley called snow. You see off to the right there. And then yeah. This is the forecast. Wasn't sure. It was only showing 30% chance of flurries Saturday night, Sunday, and now it's, I guess you could say, a little more interesting. 6% chance of flurries Saturday night, 6% chance of flurries of rain showers Sunday, and then 6% chance of flurries Sunday night through till Monday. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on tomorrow morning. I will be getting up early because I do work at 12 tomorrow, so hopefully in the morning we'll be able to see a fair bit of snow, valley called snow. Not when I wanted to get up, and I'm actually thoroughly pissed off, but whatever. And on that note, I'm going to shut up, so I'm not in the mood now. That's why. goal was I'd be awake at 7:15. Instead, I did wake up at that time, and then I woke up again at a respectable 8 o'clock time when that actually big thing I showed you earlier came around. But instead, I fucking slept till fucking 10 o'clock. Of course, I worked during this whole entire fucking snow event bullshit. Why wouldn't I? All I'm gonna be doing is setting my GoPro for today and tomorrow. It's not like it's brutally cold, so if it was like -10 or something, I actually wouldn't do it, but because it's only -1, I'm gonna set my fucking GoPro for today and tomorrow. Leave for work at 7:30 tomorrow, so that's when I'll start it up. I leave at 11:30 for work today, so that's when I'll set it up then. And both times, the GoPro will probably stay on for about 2 or so hours at the minimum anyways. To be honest, it's not like I would be going for this anyways, even if I was awake on time. But the other fucking thing at 8 o'clock maybe, just maybe. Although at the same time I doubt it as well, because to be honest with you, running into it's not that special other than the fact, because to be honest with you, I would need to pull over and shit to actually start recording to record proper footage, but yeah. Yeah, you get the fucking gist right now anyways. It's starting to fucking... It doesn't get much better of a look than this. As in, like, for this thing right now. Fucking lucky as shit. This looks like it's gonna be one of those bigger ones. Potentially anyways, if it is, I'll be upstairs. I'm gonna be upstairs here. When I leave for work, obviously I'm putting the GoPro over here, so... I have to grab tape and tape it down too, because I don't have faith it'll stay up. There we go. This entire thing, and even right down there, you can see it somewhat through the trees. It's better on through the other window, front window we have, but I can run all the way over there for a little bit there. But yeah. Well, to at least capture something out of this, I'm going to get my tripod and I'm going to time-lapse the fuck out of this on my other camera here. At least get something out of this, you know what I mean? So right now I have jack shit, so. That way I don't have to sit outside staring outside for how long. Camera is running. To be quite honest with you, I'm looking at how consistent this is. I think it's a one-time big thing in regards to how things go in terms of the snow, valley snow. It's like one big drop in the morning, and then it's just kind of like consistent rounds in the morning, through the morning of varying intensity. Yeah. Again, we'll be setting up the GoPro before we leave, and then tomorrow as well. see where we end up. And we'll see what the GoPro captures actually. First off, if it's anything good, I'll copy it off. If it's nothing good, I'll just toss it out, and then we'll get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day of this ridgy pattern, and then that will be it. Well then, you know what? My days just made a tad better. I gotta leave for work now, but damn. Shit's just like consistent over here. Maybe tomorrow will be the same, but I work till 8:30 today, sadly, so. Haven't been recently outside either. Haven't got much outdoor footage in a while. State of that. Yeah, the mountains are really snowy. It's been getting pummeled with valley cloud snow. I didn't check, is my GoPro? I have it left on and running. Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Here's the forecast. You can make great assumptions as to how the rest of the forecast goes. aka it's cloudy consistently through Monday onward. Christ, we're never going to see the sun in fucking weeks. This is going to be ridiculous, but tomorrow we could probably get some more valley snow in the morning. I'll set up my GoPro. I now know that the GoPro can be charged while on, so I'm going to do that. There was a burst at 2 o'clock, but my GoPro died at around just after 1, so yeah, missed it. I'm not going to show it, but missed it with the webcam, but whatever. Anyways, Saturday night periods of snow, Sunday snow or rain, and then Sunday night 7% chance of flurries. So the Sunday forecast is a lot better. The overall forecast is there's less precip potential, but it's still better. There's more snow potential than rain, let's put it like that. Doesn't look, yeah. Anyways though, I'll see you guys in the morning. I work at 8, so
fucking kill me again. I miss everything. Maybe it'll continue to Saturday. Who knows? We'll find out. It might. I was gonna set up my GoPro, but I'm looking at this right now, and it looks way too thin for it to do anything. And look how broken it is down there. I feel like I'm now looking at it and making a dumbass decision. I think I did. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on. I am gonna be fucking late for work. So I'm fucking gonna set it up. But without the charger. So it'll be on for about an hour or so.
From beneath the sand, the instant take me close seems so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away. How could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step to fall. How could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step. How
Here's the forecast. Yeah, so we got periods of snow all day Sunday, with periods of snow beginning in the evening tomorrow. And a 30% chance of flurries Monday. We got 2 centimeters Saturday night. Went all over the place there. And that's all I really got to show from the forecast here, with the forecast update for tonight. Yeah, I'll be busy pretty much all day from 9:30 till God knows how long into the evening Sunday, so as much as I hope it does snow a fair bit, yeah, I hope it's kind of like an on-off scenario, and it doesn't accumulate too much after Saturday night or Sunday morning, sorry. Well, I guess I could drive home and then back. Yeah. We'll see. Either way, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, here's your forecast for the morning here. I guess we'll count it as the morning. 40% chance of flurries today, and then a 40% chance of flurries early this evening, tonight. And the periods, well, actually, before I continue, that is actually happening right now. I'm thoroughly surprised. I was expecting like kind of like a mid-afternoon start time, so around 2 p.m. That's ridiculous, though. I don't know why. No model was showing snow for the morning, but here we are. This early, but here we are. Anyway, so periods of snow beginning this evening. We got 5 centimeters on the cards there. And then Sunday, we got periods of snow, amount 2 centimeters, except 5 near Enderby and Lumbee. So that's North Okanagan, but whatever. Don't know why that's for a Central Okanagan forecast. In a Central Okanagan forecast. And then Sunday night, more periods of snow there. So that's nice. Scroll down. Still okay. Still decent forecast. Scroll down. Still stays cold. Still got some snow potentials here and there. 6% chance Tuesday night through till Wednesday. And then a 30% chance Thursday night through till Friday. Stays relatively cold. Let's put it this way. It's not above freezing. Which is the goal for pretty much the rest of February. Once we hit March, that's where it's like, okay, I want warmth. You know what? No, late February is kind of like the time where it's like, I want warmth. But yeah, on that note, I will show you guys the radar. Going here. Yeah, we just missed out on some snow there, you can see. Just missed it. Well, it might have between the hour. Probably, I doubt there was any. I doubt it actually, just in general. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Well, we're having some struggles here, but I'll show what I mean in a bit. Anyway, just focusing on this here. This is what we're expecting. We got periods of snow still beginning this evening. That has not happened yet. I'll explain in a bit. 5 centimeters. Sunday we got periods of snow, 2 centimeters, except 5 near Enderby and Lumbee still. And then Sunday night we got periods of snow with 2 centimeters there. Monday we got a 30% chance of flurries now. Otherwise, everything else is the same. Obviously, temperature changes and all that, but in regards to actual weather conditions, that's the only real change. Noticeable change. It's in the middle of an update, so there's going to be obviously a missed thing here. But, you see all that. But actually, what's been happening? You got no precip falling. You got no snow falling. That is because of dry air near the low level, so it's all evaporating before it even gets down to here. So we've been kind of struggling to get snow, and the humidity has been actually quite stubborn at the surface to actually rise at the same time too. At least what I can tell from here, it says on my station it's been a steady humidity, so it's probably been increasing, but it's been stubborn and only slowly increasing.
but you can tell probably because of low snowfall rates here around here. Looks like it's gonna be mostly around the North Okanagan type deal. Kind of like just north of the airport's kind of gonna be the hot spot or the area of concern. And then the second thing to add would be there is potential for some snow squall tomorrow night, or yeah, tomorrow night. So we'll see how that continues. On that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight, maybe, if not in the morning. Oh, wow. Come on. We got a whole trace of snow. You can't see it on the grass, so you can see it on there. We got a whole trace of snow. Humidity is racked up though over the past few hours from 78 to 87%. That was only because a moderate to heavy period of precip moved over. And now we're kind of like set now. It stays moist, but I'll show you guys the radar right now, and I can tell you nothing else is moving in. I don't even think we're going to break a fucking centimeter tonight at this rate. But whatever. Fun times.
Here's the radar. Yeah, like I said, it's moistened, but it's just not there yet still. Well, you can see that's what gave us the boost. So, yeah. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. So, I suspect it shouldn't be that much. More snow than what we have based off the video presentation. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on in the morning. And of course, all of that trace of snow we got last night evaporated. There's nothing on the ground now. No extra snow happened. Now today it's periods of snow with 2 centimeters possible. And then tonight a 6% chance of flurries. Tomorrow 40% chance of flurries in the morning. And then Monday night a 6% chance of flurries. -11 low for Tuesday night, and then -7 all day Wednesday. It's on the cold side. 30% chance of flurries all day Wednesday, and then it's actually a 6% chance of flurries Thursday, but can't fit it in. Yep. On that note, I'll see you guys later on today. I'll be bringing my camera to work because I'm not too sure what's gonna happen in terms of convective snow potential, but we'll see. Sadly late development, should we say.
Yeah. So it did snow. There's nothing left. Yeah, so much for 5 centimeters and then another 2. Instead it's a trace and wind. Seriously, this is honestly disappointing. Oh no, here you go. Still some traces of it left over. Something concreted, dried out. Yeah. See you guys later on today. Hopefully we'll get some snow squallage, but I haven't seen the models today. So. Alright, I'm gonna be busy the whole entire evening here, so I might as well do this now. We've been getting kind of like a weird light snow pellety type deal. You can see there. Shit. It's very interesting. Yeah, I don't expect anything big until probably way later on tonight, so yeah. I'll see you guys later on tonight. So, back home here. Yeah, not much of anything. There was some light snow earlier. Trace accumulated to a trace again. Last night it was a trace. Tonight's a trace. We still got a whole night to go. So it was more like snow pellets, but it looks like it was flakes once the heavy ground moved in. Yeah, not much else to say. I'll show you guys the forecast and radar later on. Yeah. Boom. Here we go. Just as I was expecting. Now we just gotta see though. We'll watch Timelapse.to, because that usually tells us how good it could be here. Could, keyword. But based off that, that looks pretty fucking solid. It looks like it's gonna be a walloping. Like, that's gonna be a solid wallop if it happens. It does turn out to be that way. But we'll see. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. I got some forecasting to do, so that'll kill some time before it arrives. If even. Again, if even, because it tends to be the mountains screw it up, but the way it's moving and just kind of like the general, how would you put it, the shape looks pretty conducive that it could just plow over those mountains, but we'll see. We'll wait and see. Usually it's when it's coming out of the northwest it turns out to be shit, but this is coming straight out of the northwest, so we'll see. I wasn't going to start with the radar, but here it's the forecast now. Bunch of snow in the forecast. Periods of light snow tonight. And then 40% chance of flurries in the morning tomorrow. And then a 6% chance of flurries Monday night. 30% chance of flurries Tuesday. And then 30% chance of flurries all day Wednesday. And a 6% chance Thursday. And that'll be it there. On that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight. Definitely. For obvious reasons already shown. Sure. 1 to 2 centimeter snowfall rates. Obviously, I'm joking. It's not 1 to 2 centimeter snowfall rates over us. It's actually less than a centimeter snowfall rates. Less than half a centimeter snowfall rates. You can go dry. Where's the heavy snow? Where it's white. Over the mountains. That's what I'm getting at. Again, unless it's directly frontal related, it always gets the precip or anything squally line, linear. It's instantly cocked by the mountains, unless it's directly frontal based. Yeah. I'll give you guys a radar update before I go to bed. Fucking hate this shit. Refuses even try to snow. Even when it finally develops one, a band. burst. Whoa. That mountain down there is completely disappeared. This is gonna get heavy here. See, the mountains down there have completely disappeared. I'm gonna check the footage back, but I swear to God, those mountains down there have disappeared.